Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite stuck at the connecting screen. Let's fix it guys. Just need to press Windows key and R key together, type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now find Fortnite game, double click on it, saved, config, double click on the Windows client, right click on the game user settings and select delete option. Game user settings will be recreated after you open the Fortnite. Now go back to config and double click on the crash report client and delete whatever files inside here and then go back to saved and double click on the logs, delete whatever the files inside here, and now just close stuff here and open up Fortnite. Now if Fortnite stuck at the connecting screen problem should be fixed. To prevent this in future, you just need to follow these steps guys. Do you like to play the best settings for your system? Select confirm option. Now you just need to press the escape key and go to settings. Window mode, set this to full screen and set this render mode performance and select apply and select the restart now option. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.